Everybody's having a great day out there today. Nice 4th of July in the United States. All right, we're watching, been watching these charts today after we had a cookout and stuff. Hope everybody had a good day today, but I'm going to get in here and look at this thing, okay? We put the Fibonacci on this thing yesterday. Pull back to a 618 right on the dot here, okay? Well, came a little bit past it down to this support level. Very good support level through here. I don't believe this is going to break this. Right through here, and you can see back through here. This has been excellent support through here. All right, now I zoom out here on the weekly on Kaspa. When this thing originally, we ended up doing a. I want to show you this. Okay, this whole thing, this whole move ended up. We put the Fibonacci on here. Okay, we pulled back to that 786. Right here, okay, you can see how this thing came down. We bounced right off that 786. The 786 is a very familiar place for crypto, okay? Anywhere from that 618 to the 786, if it goes through that 702, you can almost bet if it doesn't catch the 786 and falls through that, then this thing's going lower, okay? We caught the 786 here and we bounced beautifully. All right, we got that weekly RSI down here pointing up. I think this thing's getting ready for the next move up here. I'm going to get back to this chart in a second. I want to show you Bitcoin real quick. I'm not going to go through all the other stuff we normally look at till the markets are open tomorrow. But look at this thing, okay? This is on the weekly. All right, if we take and put a Fibonacci on this, all right, right down here to the top, this thing hasn't pulled back at all. Okay, it's just bull flagging up here. Broke out of that bull flag, and this thing's getting ready to go. The weekly is pointing up. I'm expecting to move out of Bitcoin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 green weekly candles in a row. Okay, at 31,500 bucks. Keep an eye on that, guys. We break that, and this thing is really gonna get going. Okay, now the daily RSI on Bitcoin is correcting. Okay, you can see the red there a little bit. That's nothing big. We got the 12-hour at the bottom. We got the 8-hour coming down. We got the 4. The 4 is almost corrected. Okay, we got the 1 heading up. Okay, that daily is starting to get it. Before I started the video, this thing was starting to get a curve. Okay, curve up, the curve back down there a little bit. Okay, but we have the breakout of that bull flag. Okay, the worst case scenario, this thing could come back down, well, right where it retested. Really, that's a very good support level through there. You can see it all through there. Let me put a line there, because we could come down and retest that, or this thing could go from here right through there. You can see where it retested there. You can see the support through here. So very good area for it to stay at. I really don't expect this thing to come down too much. Like I said, if it does, worst case scenario, it could come down, you know, all through here as support. There's support everywhere through here. And this is on the daily, so these support areas are very good. You know, and if you extend this out here, you know, it's a very valid support line too. You know, it could come down, bounce right off that. It could stay right where it's at too. I'll be definitely keeping an eye on that tonight. Like I said, we got the markets coming open tomorrow morning, and I expect Bitcoin. We got this 12-hour. That thing could turn. It's bullish right now. It's at 31 to 29. So I'll be keeping an eye on that thing. That breakout of this bull flag. Any time Bitcoin could start going. And I want to tell you guys, I got a email from Mexi about a month ago. Okay, I went in, checked their channel out, signed up with them, and I've been using them for a while now. For my futures contracts. If you guys are interested, I'm going to put a link in the video. I have a pretty neat thing called Copy Trade. You can go in there and pick any successful trader by their win rates or whatever. When you hit follow, it automatically places a trade for you when they place a trade. Okay, obviously they get a small cut of the winning percentages, but look at some of these: 7-day win rate, 7-day win rate, total P&L. Some of these guys, they got big numbers in there. It's crazy. You can go by 7-day profit and loss. Look at this: 66,000, 12,000, 12,000. Pretty neat. So if you're a trader, if you're familiar with that, and you can just go in and do your own thing too normally, but they have up to $1,000 sign-on bonus stuff and everything. But if you use the link in my description, obviously you get a little something. So, all right, that's all I'm going to talk about. That I don't want to be one of them people, but it will be in the description of the video. Okay, here's Kaspa. Look at it. Okay, on the 12-hour we have a green candle started. All right, this thing's starting to form a wedge here, a falling wedge. Okay, obviously we love them. That's a very good sign. Okay, we have this support line coming up through here. Let me get this Fibonacci off there. There we go. We have a support line coming right up through here, which is obviously valid. Okay, it doesn't look like it actually touched the line down here. It touched the support line. Okay, and if we once again, if we put that fib on there, right up through here, these things are, and the Fibonacci is the best thing in the world for traders. I love this thing. You can see it bouncing right on that 618. So perfect. That's what we want. So of course the 702 is great too. I don't think we're gonna make it down that low. I think we're gonna bounce from here. Look at the RSIs. That 12-hour is on the bottom, looking beautiful right now. It is bullish. We got the 8-hour on the bottom. The 4-hour is turning up. Okay, you can see it right there. Look how low these are on the regular RSI on the bottom. Look how low that 4 is. It's down at 38. Okay, we got the 1 turning up. Where's the down here? Look at the 8 down there, the 12. The 12's down there. This one here, the daily, by tomorrow morning, this daily should be reset. Okay, look at that thing. It is at a 0 and a 7.98. Tomorrow, or tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm sorry, that's when this thing resets. So, what the time is it now? 6:40 on the East Coast of the United States. So by 8 o'clock tonight, this thing the daily should be reset, and we should be ready. This thing should be ready to make a move up. All right, so I keep an eye on this nonstop. After my videos, obviously I have another chart and I have alarms set. I'm just waiting for this thing to pop. Okay, so alright guys, I will probably have a video out tomorrow. Like I said, I'm expecting some movement here, so hopefully we get that. And want to throw in there, please do your own research with this stuff. I don't give financial advice and all that. Okay, so just do your own research and listen to people that know what they're talking about, and invest your money wisely. Right, I know every dollar I have counts, and I treasure it. So please just do your own research and stuff when investing in anything. Alright guys, thank you so very much. Happy 4th of July if you're in the United States. And to everybody else, thank you very, very much for watching my channel. You guys are the best. And I'll talk to you soon. Have a great night, everybody.